Salma Sawa, and I'm a tourism student from the University of Sudan. And I'll be doing my internship with TJ Bonds Tourism for a minimum of 12 months. You can contact me with regards to any trip you want to have, daily trips, monthly trips, or anything.
This is Daniel Mapena. I'm a project manager at TJ Bonds. If you wanna go out, go to a hotel, you wanna go to an Airbnb, you want the wedding to be planned, we curate all that experience. We take you out. You just hit us on TJ Bonds.
Hello guys, my name is Kenningham. Guys, Nayas is TJ Bonds. Guys, if you want to travel, like go anywhere, it's about it's about heaven. Whatever, like TJ Bonds.
How's it? My name is Tabo Mtulu. I'm the director of the TJ Bonds Tourism. If you ever need to travel, if you ever need to do a day trip, if you ever need to do anything that's related for fun, leisure, business, pleasure, please hit us up. TJ Bonds Tourism. Cheers. So